So factors, the word factor basically means a number that could be multiplied by another number to make this number. And so we're only talking about whole numbers here. Thankfully, we're not worried about decimals or fractions or any of that because that could get really messy. And so we are asked to provide all the factors of 42. Now, a simple way to do this that I have found is just to make what we call a sort of a factor tree. Well, this really isn't a factor tree. It's more of just a list. And I like this better than a traditional factor tree, honestly. But I'll just start counting by 1. I can use 1 times 42. I can use 2 times 21. I can use 3 times 14. 4 does not work. 5 does not work. And I could do 6 times 7. And I don't need the dot there in the middle, but 6 times 7. So, and then if I was to continue up my list on the left, I get to 7. I've already got it, so I know that I'm done. So I just count down the left in order. 1, 2, 3, 4 doesn't work. 5 doesn't work. 6 works. And then I would go to 7, but I've already got 7 listed right there, so I know that I'm finished. And so if I was to look at this list, I would have 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, and 42. And so I don't know if Alex, two things. I don't know if Alex is going to count 1 and 42 as factors. We'll have to check that. And also, I don't know if you have to put them in numerical order for Alex to count them correctly, but I'm going to put them in numerical order anyway. And we'll see what ends up happening here in terms of whether or not it counts 1 and 42 as factors. And it looks like it did. So that's how I'm going to go about it for all of these. I'm basically just going to make a list down the left in counting order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then put the one that it's paired with on the right. And when I get to a repeat, I know that I'm done. Next, we've got 40. So 40 has factors 1 and 40. 1 times 40 makes 40. We've also got 2 and 20. 3 does not work. 4 times 10. 5 works. 5 times 8. 6 does not work. 7 does not work. I've already got 8, so I know that I'm done. So I've got 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, and 40. Pretty simple. All right, we'll do one more. And this is an easy one, factors of 9. I can do 1 times 9. 2 does not work. I get 3 times 3, and I've already got a repeat, so I know I'm done. 1, 3, and 9. All right, and since that one was so short, we will do one more. 27. 27, we have 1 and 27. 2 does not work. We got 3 and 9. 4 does not work. 5 does not work. 6 does not work. 7 does not work. 8 does not work. I've already got 9, so I know I'm done. 1, 3, 9, and 27. And that's how we find factors.